This is the elevator at some UPMC garage that I am unsure of the name of. I'm not sure if it even has a name, but it's near the Magee-Womens Research Center and the Hampton Inn University Center in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. In case fire, use stairway for exit. This is a Montgomery elevator with A series fixtures. Second A series I've ever filmed. It's the first one I filmed in 2018, obviously. Level 5. Oh, the bell works down here, and it just re-leveled. Here we go up. I'm not sure why 1 and 2 are lit on the indicator. That's kind of weird. We tried getting it from up here, but you need a badge to get to this lobby from up here, I believe. We'll go back down to 1. Bell does not work for down, only for up. ADA phone, fairly newer phone. Cabinet's a bit messed up. Pretty basic cabinet. I do like the tray lighting in the middle of it, though. Montgomery A series lanterns, indicator, certificates in the facilities management office, case fire noise elevators, firefighter's operation. There's like a phone instruction something behind the emergency, like water. This is owned by UPMC. They're closing out to going to be it.